Hey guys, it's Julie at Quilts Plus. Good morning. I wanted to share with you a beautiful collection that is in here, and it has just come in. It is called Effie'S Woods. It's such a sweet collection of fabrics. They actually are, Deb Strain is the designer for this, and this is her daughter's name. Isn't that sweet? Um, it says on her fabrics, "You are loved, you are cherished." And we have taken full advantage of this. We have a pattern in store here at Quilts Plus, has our name on it, and because of that, we have done a beautiful design with what she's given us to use. And we have these beautiful, you can kind of see here, all these little sayings inside with the bunnies that say be kind, and then the deer says be brave, and the little hedgehog says be yourself. There's a whole collection in this quilt. Has that snowball in there, and then the center we have some cute little stars that say you are loved, you are cherished. You can just see how sweet those are. This is a wonderful pattern. It's 52 by 62 is this quilt. We do have this as a kit already ready to go. You can see at the top of your border it says you are loved, and at the bottom of your border it says you are cherished. Isn't this adorable? We couldn't resist. So we made these up into kits for you so that you can just call us and grab one. The quilt is 52 by 62. The kit is $82. So everything you need is there. The only thing you need is your backing for this one. And we'd be happy. You can call us and we can say, we'll take care of it for you. We've got these beautiful, this fabric is so sweet. It has these little toadstools on it. It's just really, really special. You know, I know this is a timeless collection. So this could be obviously for a child, but it's just a timeless piece. So you can even think down the road in the future, this would be nice to have in your stash at home when that baby is ready to come, or even for, like I said, for a child or even for yourself. I know that might be a little different, but I love nature, so this one speaks to my heart and I love what it says. So you can call us. We're here at the store, 269-383-1790, and we're gonna try to put this on the website too, so you can just click and buy it. We'll have that there as a link. And we are excited to have you. We're here Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday, 10 to 3. Come and see us.